we can now see all the way up to the High Rocks area, so we'll be able to see people in the summertime. Oh boy. There's the trolley bridge. If you saw the trolley bridge in the films of when the flooding, you noticed it was almost up to that rail, or the bottom of the bridge. But now, here's the view looking upstream. Notice the river brought us a few things. One of them is kind of left, looks like this, branches and little logs like this all over the place. There's one there, and there's one there, and there's one there, and then out there on this, I pan back and look, that gravel bar forces almost all the water to the far side, and there's current over there, and straight off our deck, there's current way over there, but in close here, it's a bathtub. I guess that's our new swimming area, because it's just a dead zone at the moment. Well, find logs, and then there's some logs, and there's the neighbor's pond, and there's a log, and still have some water in the backyard right now, but notice sorry about that, our grass is a little, so at the other end of the deck, there's the big concrete post there in the rocks, and it left about a foot of silt at the top up there. And then the water hung for a few days at that level, washed it some kind of away. Then there's that concrete wall down there. You can just see the edge of it. That wall is 5 feet tall, and the silt is almost to the top of it. There's our picnic table, which only has about a foot on top of it. But notice just to the right of the picnic table, a little circle there. Well, that's the top end of a 55-gallon drum. That's how much silt it left us. That was sitting on the ground before the flood. Surprised it stayed there, but it's kind of a view of what we've been left. It's going to be neat because I've always kind of thought there were too many trees on this floodplain, so kind of neat in that sense. And this view up here is kind of neat now, but it's going to be awful open and awful hot in the summer, I'm afraid. But I'm sure over the next several years, more cottonwoods will grow, and then they'll all get knocked down in about 32 years.